Attitude is the paintbrush. Your life is the canvas. Paint it with positivity. Choose to see the bright side, and your world will become brighter.
These types of reels get millions of views. You can also create like that by using AI and CapCut. First of all, ask ChatGPT to write all the scripts. I will give the link of all the prompts in the description. Now ask ChatGPT to add second part, and then ask ChatGPT to add last part. Now our scripts are completely ready and we need a voiceover. I am using 11 Labs to generate voice. You can use any AI voice generator. Now we need background videos. I suggest you to download stock footages from Pixels because it is completely free. Now the last step is join all the media we generated before. I am using CapCut. You can use any editing software. First export all the stock footage that you downloaded before. Then click on ratio and select 16:9. Then export the audio file that you generated before. Mute the volume of all stock videos. Split the audio file and adjust it according to your choice. Now adjust the length of stock videos.
Attitude is a paintbrush. Your life is a canvas.
Click on adjust and reduce the contrast to 15%. Also reduce brightness and saturation according to your choice. Now add text. Always add text in capital letter. You can select any font as you want. Then go to shadow and increase the opacity and blur to 100%. Now go to animation and select fade in animation. Then click on out and select fade out animation. Now select a motivational or attitude background music. Decrease its volume to 10%. I will give the link of all the music in the description. Now add your username. The size of username must be very less than the original text. And then your video is ready.
Attitude is the paintbrush. Your life